Welcome back to my channel. I'm probably on my fourth or fifth take here. We're flying over Nikola Motors Assembly Plant, which now belongs to Lucid Motors. I understand there's about 14 employees still left there with Nikola that are cleaning up the batteries, recycling the batteries. As we fly over them, you'll see eventually that a lot of the batteries have been stripped out of these these semi trucks, so that there's nothing to power them. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers, one day there will be like a lithium iron phosphate that is very inexpensive to make, $50 to $60 a kilowatt hour in the pack, that can be put in there, and the density will go up, the weight will come down. Here's the disadvantage of the semi-electric trucks. These trucks weigh, what, 27,000 pounds, where an equivalent diesel weighs 15 to 17,000. They have a 10,000 pound disadvantage right off the bat. But for local, that's not so bad if they're not hauling where they got to haul between 40 and 50,000 pounds in the trailer. On a flatbed, you can haul over 50,000. In a semi truck that is designed to haul like a reefer or a dry van, you can maybe get 45,000. Not on electric, not on these. It'll be more closer to 40,000, 37, 40,000 pounds because of the weight limitation of the truck. Now, you do have a 2,000 pound advantage, but again, there's 10,000 pounds difference. So you still got that 8,000 pound differential, which is not good. But the idea behind it is phenomenal. We want electric vehicles to succeed, especially semi-trucks. And once the infrastructure gets up and they have a high density battery that has a lot of cycle life like the lithium iron phosphates and are safe like a lithium iron phosphates, but the density's got to go up. Now we're looking at, those are probably batteries right there that are going to be recycled. So we wish Nikola Motors, so sorry it started off with Trevor Milton and the problems that he created for the company. The idea is phenomenal for local use. It's perfect because they can have their own charging infrastructure at the facility themselves, go out and do their thing at a fraction of the cost of diesels. But anyway, we appreciate them trying. Even though I was a stockholder and my stock is worth nothing, you can look at all these right now, no battery packs are in these vehicles. I wish I could get one of them that has a battery pack. I don't know if they're going to have an auction or not. I'm willing to come to the auction. Now, the reason I'm here in Arizona and why I'm filming this is because I'm remodeling. My major thing is battery storage, solar. That's my interest. Even though I drive electric cars. I love electric cars. But I'm a DIYer. I'm here remodeling our bathroom here in Arizona. So I've been here for a few weeks. I'm going to be here for another week and finishing up. But I thought I'd show you these videos. I will be going over to Lucid next, see what's going on over there. But in the meantime, we're in the back of the building and most of the batteries are gone. There used to be a whole bunch of them just beyond these trucks here. But anyway, thank you again for watching my video and patience. Talk to you later.